Hello, I'm Prashant Sukla and today I will be discussing the current account and current account deficiencies and its implications. So firstly, current account is part of the India's balance of payment and tax. So the main parts of it are firstly the export and import from the country itself. Then we have the income from the foreign countries or abroad, and then we have the transport payments. So majorly it is the import and export. So when imports are more than the export itself, we get a current account deficient. Now India typically runs a current account deficient as we import more, especially crude oil, gold and electronics, than we export. So the implication of a high CAD is that firstly there is pressure on our foreign exchange reserves, which is there as we pay to other countries in the foreign currency itself. Also there is impact on the Indian rupee, which when demand for a foreign currency like a dollar increases to pay for the imports, then the rupee depreciate immediately, and that leads to fueling of inflation and also the cost of imported goods. Also we have the investor confidence to worry about. A manageable CAD shows that the country can absorb the capital efficiency, but a high CAD raises concern about the macroeconomic stability, and the global investor watch CAD closely in order to see whether they should invest in the country and in order to watch out for the country's stability and inflation itself. Also, how India manages CAD is that firstly they maintain a huge reserve as a buffer. They have around 600 billion in reserves, to which will cover around 10 months of imports. Also, RBI plays a key role in it as they maintain a huge amount of reserves, and they are able to sell the foreign currency as well as Indian currency bonds to maintain the volatility, to stabilize the currency itself. Also we boost the exports in order to reduce the current account deficiencies. A modest CAD would be about the one that is less than 2% of the GDP itself, and that is acceptable in the long term also. Also, a high volatile CAD raises red flags and may lead to institutional investors outflows as rating downgrade to being a high risk country to invest in terms of global trade. Thank you.